Welcome back. It's your girl D to the Y to the M to the O to the N to the D. Y'all already know who it may be, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this video. Period. Okay, so y'all for to take y'all on this tour around the house or whatever, and showing y'all what we doing, how we packing, and this is how it go. Y'all, okay, so I packed all my beauty sprays, lotions, facial, hair products. Took all the pictures down off the wall, y'all. I had to take that down. My daughter broke down her bed and put it out from here for I don't know what reason, boo. Anyways, so I had those 2 baskets over there. Well, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 baskets over there full of clothes. Then I have all the clothes. Oh, that one over there is full of hangers for clothes that need to be hung up. And then those 2 bags right there is full of clothes and clothes on the hangers also, y'all. And then I have the 2 bags, and then all my shoes, all my rows of shoes here, then clothes here, then everything that's off the countertops. Got the little beauty here. So bathtub, y'all, everything is clear. That's the only thing that's hung up. So this is the only thing is hung up, y'all, and I have to find where I'm gonna put this. So I got my dresses there, my long summer dresses there, all my shirts and my small stuff when I used to do nursing or whatever over there. And then I got like the winter coat, the winter coats and stuff right here. But if you look this way down there, it's nothing. It's no hangers. Well, it's 2. So y'all, I pulled these 2 hangers out because I'm leaving them. They can throw them in the trash. They can do what they want to do. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, you gotta use no wire hangers. I do not use wire hangers. I had to take that down. Actually, I keep this box here. Let's take it down. Now, I keep this box taped up. As y'all can see, it's taped because it's a very, very, very important thing that's in this box. You know, y'all can see it's pink right here, but it's very important to me. It's very special. And yeah, I just keep it locked up in that box, but eventually I'm gonna put it somewhere. And then my kids, when I was living in my house before I moved here, y'all, they bought me this. So I'm about somewhere to put this in my room, y'all, this time, instead of putting it on top of the thing, because it got to be seen. You hear me? It has to be seen. So yeah, I'm gonna put this somewhere. So I'll put this in this box here and this in that box. Yeah. Okay, y'all. So as we come off in here, I forgot about this area. So I'm giving away this washer and dryer, y'all, and it's just like it's taking forever because I cannot take it with me because the place that I'm moving to, you guys, it absolutely comes with a washer and dryer, so I cannot take this washer and dryer with me. So when you look around, okay, here's all my products and stuff. As y'all can see, the white desk is not over there no more, y'all. If y'all go back to the other video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. But the white desk is not over there no more. I gave that desk actually to my niece, to my nieces for their apartment. So, cause y'all, let me just get finished telling y'all this. So, these are all my products for my business and stuff. And then y'all know this is King. He can't fit off in this, y'all. He absolutely clams out of this, y'all. My grandson clams out of this, so we got to get rid of that. We have this. Y'all know he have 2 strollers, so this is the one. This is the stroller with the car seat. Y'all know he have 2. No, his Gigi gonna step. He have that one. I don't know why we stuffed this blanket off of here or whatever. He has this one, and he also has this one here. Yeah. Okay, and we got all that little stuff packed up over there. I was trying to get rid of that TV stand. I guess I'm just gonna throw it away or just go send it to my niece in the house over there. But I guess I'll leave that mount because I can't take it off. They put it on, I can't take it off. But yeah, so King Closet should be clear. Okay, King Closet is clear, you guys. Something back there? No, it's nothing back there. Empty. Okay. But yeah, so that's all my products, y'all. And I got rid of my desk. My computer is sitting over there on the countertop or whatever. Yeah, so I got rid of a lot of stuff. I got rid of my furniture. My furniture, if y'all know or whatever. So here's my Mac computer, desktop, and you know, my iPad, Apple Watch, like I told y'all last video or whatever. Yeah, so as y'all know that I got rid of a lot of stuff. Y'all go look at the other vlogs, y'all will see that I put a lot of my stuff on OfferUp, which is I put my old car on OfferUp, I put my sofa and love seat on OfferUp, and I also put my bed on OfferUp. I put, y'all, I put a lot of stuff on OfferUp, and it was just like boom, 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 boom. Like it was just selling like really fast, really fast. So yeah, your girl's finally moving, y'all, and I will be on this journey with y'all to let y'all know the aftermath, and I will be doing a house tour. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all definitely stay tuned, okay? And y'all forget, don't. Period. Y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, y'all. Y'all know about that shit. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Y'all girl gonna be dropping back to back. Period. I'm about to move. I'm doing a house tour, and then since I kind of did this vlog, y'all, like this because since I'm about to be moving into my new place or whatever, I'm gonna start off with a house tour. That's one, and then I'm gonna start off with I keep on saying I'm gonna start off. Y'all see, period. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the house tour. Then I'm gonna do the furnished tour, but for each room, so I can break down content, so I can have content all the time, y'all. I'm gonna do unboxing, or whatever. I'm gonna take y'all on a journey with me as where I'm getting my stuff from. I to be nice, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all about to be nice, but y'all, I'm taking y'all on a journey with me. So where I'm getting my stuff from, my new furniture set, my new bedroom set, everything is just gonna be so much different. You know, so much elegant, nice. I don't know what to call it. Y'all want another theme. Every time I move, y'all, I have to have a different theme. That's just me. Because if I take what I have in the old house, it just messes with my OCD. And I'm just like, oh, yeah, it's old. I don't want it no more. It's played out. The color is played out, you know. So every time I move, as y'all notice, if y'all ever looked at my house tour, when I had my 4-bedroom house, I changed the furniture, I changed the colors, I changed the theme. So with that being said, y'all just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to the video. Bye.